Here we come to the elevators at the Nash Street building in downtown Wilson, North Carolina. And we got Otis Black Button. First in High Point, now Wilson. This is score, y'all. That's right, here we go. Oh, this is just like the radio building all over again. Holy cow, this is the radio building all over again. 7? That fluorescent light is so bright I can barely see the bulbs through the floor indicator. Whoa, that's not hard. Oh, it's got the up and down arrow. Interesting. 1961, same exact year as the radio building, which unfortunately I ran out of memory when I filmed the elevators at the radio building in High Point yesterday. Woo! But that video had actually turned out well. I love these black button fixtures. I'm gonna go and close up the door. I love the relay. I think somebody called it. But yeah, like I said, despite I ran out of memory when I filmed the ones at the radio building in High Point, but the video still turned out nonetheless. Okay, well, I thought somebody called it, but looks like it decides to just park down here. Okay, well, this is interesting, but like I said, despite that I ran out of memory when I filmed the elevators at the radio building in High Point yesterday, I still nonetheless got a good and decent video anyhow, so, I mean, it could have been a lot more worse, but thankfully, I got a decent amount of rides when the camera stalled. But anyways, I didn't see that in here, but there's your ThyssenKrupp help link photo. Looks like ThyssenKrupp maintains. What's this hole right here for? All right, well, I'm gonna send this up to 7, and let's see if the rotodial works. I don't even see the rotodial in there. Oh, unfortunately, they do work, but they unfortunately don't have the wheel inside there for the number, unfortunately. All right. Yeah, unfortunately, the other elevator car does not work. But these are your fixtures. This elevator got so busy, like all of a sudden. I mean, lots and lots of people are getting on. It is painful. It is incredibly painful. But that thankfully matters less because during the first couple trips, I already got a decent video non-stop. These are Otis black button fixtures, just like the one at Radio Tower, which this is something equivalent to that one. want to hear the relays going down. Or actually, I'm not going to press any button because this elevator does automatically signal down to the first floor. All right, we're stopping again. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and end the video on 1. You going down?
Yes.
First floor?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am. All right, here we go again. You want 1? Y'all enjoy and have a great rest of your day. All right, we're gonna go ahead in the video. This thing is getting insanely busy. So anyways, there it goes. And that's it.